Generate more exact testing results in your soil consolidation testing with Karol Warner Soil Consolidation Testing Equipment. Karol Warner's soil consolidation test equipment meets the most stringent demands of modern-day soil and geotechnical testing and are designed to ensure efficient, precise, and accurate results. Compact and reliable, Karol Warner's tabletop pneumatic load frames are a loading consolidation apparatus for soil and geotechnical testing when using consolidometers for instantaneous testing results. And the Karol Warner dead weight consolidation load frame uses a mechanical loading lever and hanging weight sets to load the soil specimen. Consolidation Data Acquisition Software records test data in real time and then calculates and reports test results in accordance with ASTM test specifications. Karol Warner has a vast selection of consolidometers that transfer vertical loads to the test specimen within an assembly made up of a floating or fixed ring, outer inundation ring, load pad, and 2 porous stones. Basic swell consolidometers are used when performing swell tests on soil samples and are available in 2 diameters. The compact, all-in-one design includes the stainless steel base, compaction specimen ring, loading weight, porous stones, an acrylic ring to contain the water, and an adjustable dial indicator holder. Expansion index consolidometers are self-contained units for the determination of the soil expansion index. Units include an anodized aluminum base and collar with stainless steel hold-down rods, stainless steel specimen ring, 12.6-pound loading weight, and porous stones. Back pressure consolidometers are designed for consolidation testing of soils, but also measure pore pressure and permeability. Each unit features a stainless steel cap with a load piston, as well as quick connect ports for confining pressure application, and a bottom port for monitoring pressure flow rate. Units include a sample ring with built-in cutting edge, flexible tubing, and porous stones. Karol Warner consolidometer accessories include calibration discs for determining system deflection, cutting sample rings for precision preparation and trimming of samples, and a vast selection of porous stones to support your soil specimens testing. Generate more exact testing results in your soil consolidation testing with Karol Warner Soil Consolidation Testing Equipment. Karol Warner, proudly providing geotechnical testing equipment since 1954.